Ladies and gentlemen, professors, doctors, educators, learners, dear guests, very welcome to the fourth panel of Academy Debate, which is held by the University of Raparin.
I would say very welcome to this event, which is continued for the fourth consecutive year. It's our pleasure and we are honored that a group of warm-blooded people got together here in order to participate in a very student-centered activity.
I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you to this debate competition. We are delighted to have such an outstanding group of debaters from education and basic education colleges here today.
In this conference, the students can express and exchange their ideas about the debatable and controversial topics. Of course, this is done in English, which is the most widespread and the strongest tool for communication nowadays around the world.
I'm Rosa, senior from Raparin University, College of Education.
We agree that death penalty should always be applied in certain countries and for certain crimes. I'll start the fire and inshallah my colleague here will carry out the fire.
We have to respect human beings. Okay, we care about human beings.
And I want to thank my parents, specifically my mother, which has been the backbone of my life. Without her, I wouldn't be standing here.
So, I will tell you something about how driving the cars in the future.
So we have to know that technology refers to the methods, systems, and devices which are the result of the scientific knowledge being used for a particular purpose.
Let me tell you why it was not beneficial. So, as technology has exposed its limitation during the pandemic, let me tell you about the ILO, International Labour Organization, tell us that 60% of the employment rate were drowned during the pandemic.
Technology has made job opportunities more than it has replaced.
Really, this is life. Like technology rising every day. We have to incorporate this kind of particular subject into our life. Like this is the reality.
So I have animations. Robot is equal to 1,000 human beings. So it means that by 2030, there will be 20 million robots. So that's force of equals to the population of the humanity.
Most welcome to the audiences and I'm much appreciated for the educators and the audiences.
The first point is lack of security. We have a lack of high electronic security.
As we know, the government around the world, everywhere, we have something that everything is centralized and controlled.
You have many technical problems which can delay your transaction, and many of the time those technical problems happen during the night.
I'm Sharia and I study English at Halazid campus, morning courses, and I'm highly privileged to be a part of this debate about whether it is okay for children to use phones at school or not.
And it's going to lead to cheating. Instead of them trying to solve the problems, like a math problem, probably like doing doing their homework, they would just try to search it up on website, on the internet.
Mobile phones in schools or not? So we're starting with my first point. My first point is about social learning and friendship benefits.
Thank you so much. My name is Hannah. I'm an instructor at the Plaza campus, and I want to ask the disagree side. Do you think death penalty is needed, or those people who commit crimes, they actually need a psychiatrist?
Why do they use death penalties? Why don't they just put them in jail?
Okay.
So give me only one reason to use Bitcoin, okay?
Do you think as Kurdistan we can replace cash with digital currency?
As my colleague said, it's not about winning and losing, it's about delivering and performing at a certain time and on a certain topic. Next congratulations goes to all the debaters. Thank you very much for your bravery and audacity on tackling some very, very controversial issues. You are the winners, all of you.